Well, hey everybody, it's me, Mitch, and I'm back, and we're gonna make us some pork rind crumb breaded chicken wings in the Ninja Grill air fryer. I'm going to use the basket instead of the grill here, and we're going to see how well that works out. So what I've got here is I've got an egg with some Redmond's real salt in a bowl, and I'll beat that up. We're going to try to make as little a mess as possible with this. And I'm setting up kind of what we used to call in the restaurant business a breading station. So here we have the pork panko crumbs, and I'm going to take and put a couple tablespoons on a plate, spread it around. There we go. Try to even it out. Then we're going to take a couple of our chicken wings and kind of batter them with egg. And we're going to lay them in the panko. And we're just going to go through them and do these. And this is a process that you go through, and we're going to make sure we get them, and then basically you just rinse your hands and take some more crumbs and try to sprinkle some on the top. Not a delicate operation, but seems to work out pretty good. And then we're going to take these and lay them in the bottom of the basket here. And it's going to be a little messy, but the end result will be very, very worthwhile. I don't know how many of these wings we're going to be able to fit into the basket here, but we'll put in as many as we can. And we'll just do that again. Okay, a few more chicken wings in here. And the egg makes the crumbs stick to the chicken. Not a very exciting thing to do, but it is worth it. Well, only got one more to go, so let's see if we can't do them all here in the second batch. I think this was 6 large wings cut up into wings and flats. And done with that. Take and sprinkle more of the crumbs over the top. Try to get some of some of the breading. Gotta say, this isn't pretty. There we go. Now we'll see if we can't fit the rest of these in here. Nice to get them all in one batch. That would be terrific. And it looks like we're gonna make it. Now you're always gonna waste a few of these things, and I guess you could probably save what's left on the plate back into the jar, but I think there's probably some egg on some of it, so I don't think that'd be a great idea. I normally air fry wings at 380 degrees for about 30 to 32 minutes. So, I'm going to shut this. No thermometer needed. Going to turn the power on. Going to go to air crisp. It says 390 and 375. I'll do 375, and I'll do it for 32 minutes, and I'll press start. And I'll skip the preheat by pushing this button here. I added the food, and now it's going to cook at 375 for 32 minutes. So it might tell me to flip them halfway through. I'll monitor that and watch it and see what happens, and we'll come back when they're done. But it was that easy. Well, it counted down to 0 and it shut itself off. Let's see what we have here. Well, we have wings, it appears. And they look pretty good. Now, I know this is a metal tongs, and I'm going to try not to touch the non-stick with it. Just going to grab the food. Now, I didn't flip these, but they are cooked beautifully. Look at this on both sides. They also stuck together, which makes them very easy to remove. Wow, 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 wow. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? Let me unplug the air fryer and leave it open to cool. This looks amazing. Let me get over to the side here and shed some light on it. Wow. Look at these. They look restaurant quality. Holy mackerel. Well, they look terrific. I'm going to let them cool for a few seconds, and then I'm going to taste one of them. That was cooked in the Ninja Grill on the air crisp setting in the basket, not on the grill, at 375 degrees for 32 minutes. Raw chicken, dipped in egg, coated with the pork panko. They use the term bread crumbs, but it's not bread. They came out incredibly crispy looking. And let's see. I put some Redmond's real salt in with the egg, and that's the only seasoning on these things. I gotta tell you, this is fabulous. This is as good as any breaded chicken wing with real breading that I've ever had in any restaurant, anywhere, anytime. Mmm. Sorry, can't stop. Mm. Wow. That is a real treat. 2 thumbs up. I'm going to eat these, and you need to figure out a way to make them for yourselves. So with that, I'd say that so far, the initial testing of this new Ninja grill is right up there with the Z-Star, and the 2 things, the burger and the chicken wings so far, have come out great. Next, I'm going to cook a steak from frozen. That's a real test, and we'll see how that comes out. But for now, take the rest of the day off and eat meat.